This is Jeff at Splash Pools. We're with one of my homeowners here. We built this project about 6.5 years ago, and you'll see some photos of the project as we interview Mike. But anyway, Mike, any words you want to say?
Yeah, just we bought our home about 7 years ago. We're in Baker Ranch in a community in Lake Forest. So we got a hold of Splash and Jeff, the owner, and he came out and we agreed to the contract, and they went to work. They were done on time. They told us about how long it would take. They were very professional. The workers were professional and very detailed. They have been with us every step of the way for the whole 6.5 years. Anytime that we've needed something, and we just and I'm sure that you'll see pictures, but we just added new pots and rock and stuff, and they did that job for us, and they squeezed us in. I'm sure they were busy with much bigger jobs, but they squeezed us in, and they did a great job. So if you want to go with a good pool company, go with Splash.